Excuse me, sir, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just walking to Alabama. I'm so tired. Hey, what's that fancy vehicle you got there?
This here is a train. It operates on this here railroad, you see? Hop on in.
Alright. Wow, this is pretty cool. I mean, I don't even have to walk through the gross mud anymore. Hey, look at that! There's a meteor shower headed right for the railroad ahead of us!
Oh, relax. These rails are so strong and durable, they won't break at all. See, I told you, not even a scratch.
So how can I get one of these railroads?
Well, you can buy them now, and they're pretty cheap too, so get them all before they're gone.
Alright, I will. Oh, this is my stop. Thank you, sir.
Well, later. Darn it.
Sir?
This here is a train. Operates on this here railroad. Would you like to cop in?
Coffin? So who designed these railroads? God, I forgot I have more lines. Oh, this is my stop. Thank you, sir.
See you later. Oh, man.
This is my stop. I'm stuck. Thank you, sir.
See you later. See you.